Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back into the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice Bar channel, you know what happened. I got some black banana left back, and as one thing come to my mind is this. It is this. I have some milk and I have some double ripe banana, and you know what I mean, I said to myself I need to make a smoothie in the morning to keep me going straight through the day. Ripe banana. Too much ripe banana doesn't good for you, but you know what I mean, you can have ripe banana in a smoothie now and then. You know what I mean, bring off the day really good and nice. So basically what we're going to do is to make a double ripe banana smoothie. As you can see, I have some double ripe banana right there, and it's going to be amazing. This one going to be lovely, and hopefully guys will like the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and big up all of my fans and who are support this YouTube channel. So first thing, let's go into business. So basically, as I said, we got some triple double ripe banana which I want to use up. Yeah, and I make them really black. So pop them straight inside of the Ninja blender like that. And also the double ripe banana, what you can also do with it, you can make also banana fritters also with double ripe banana. But I'm not going to make any double ripe banana fritters this morning. I just want to make a nice lovely smooth to bring off the morning really good and nice. So as you can see, I just make the banana them right, because for me, I love my smoothie, guys, honestly. And as you can see, looking lovely already and looking so good. I just make the banana them. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, I would put those in the bin. But you know what I mean, you can't just waste food like that, you know. Because food, and you know what I mean, bang, pop that straight inside of it like that. And that looking lovely already so far. So as I said, double ripe banana smoothie, we can have it in the morning, and you know what happened? You doesn't even need too much stuff to make the double ripe banana smoothie. Honestly, it's just a simple little recipe. All you're going to be needed is just some milk and the ripe banana, and this is what I'm going to do now. Let's put a little bit of milk inside of it. I'm using some whole milk, which even better for you to use at home, because the whole milk is good for you, and if you want, you also can pop egg yolk inside of it if you like to, but I just want to keep it very simple like that at the moment. Alright, now the fans are gonna love this one, because sometimes you have to come up with something different for the fans to make the fans happy. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pop a little bit of honey inside of it like that. Nice one. Roughly about a teaspoon of honey. Nice one. After you do all of those now, what you're gonna do, you can put ice if you like to, but I'm not gonna put any ice because the milk are already well cool. Yeah. So this is it. I'm gonna be making a little bit of nice for roughly about one good 5 to 4 minutes by just blending it. Nice and lovely. So basically, look at this. That is finished and nice. And all you need to do is just a simple little thing like that, just to make it look really lovely and nice. Guys, remember, it's a double ripe banana smoothie. And as I said, you can make this at home, guys. You don't need any information or any ideas. Oh, that smells lovely and nice. So all you're going to do is just pour it in that glass like this, and you're gonna good to go. Just take a good look. Double ripe banana smoothie, And not only that, if you like to be honest guys, there's so much things you can do with this. Alright, and I'm gonna give you another little secret what also you can do with it. Not only say you can only just put the double ripe banana alone, there's a lot more stuff what you can do also with it. So I'm gonna be sharing another little secret with my fans them to tell them, say listen, this is exactly what you can also do with the double ripe banana smoothie. Alright? Simple. If you have some fresh cream or double cream, whatever cream you have at home. Alright? You can also do that. Simple. Put in a straw inside of it just like that. Not only that, also you can do, you can simple just get a little bit of like chocolate, or you know what I mean, chocolate, and a simple sprinkle it on top of it like this, and it just bring in a lovely little flavor. If you have like a strawberry or anything, you can simply put it on top of it to bring in a lovely flavor and a lovely color towards it. But take a good look. Double ripe banana with milk, and I know you guys will love that one. So subscribe, leave a comments below, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. I will see you next time. Bye bye.